Eggmas, day 14. Okay, a lot of you guys are asking me to show you how to crack an egg with one hand. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'll try my best, okay? This is your Christmas present. Today's Christmas, by the way, so Merry Christmas, everyone. So here's what I do. I don't ever do it on an edge. I do it on a flat surface, because if I do it on an edge, things can go in there and crack the yolk and make a mess. So flat surface always. I sort of dig my thumb in there, and then once it's dug in, I've got a hole kind of, right? And from there, I can sort of grip it with the edge of my thumb. And then once it's gripped with the edge of my thumb, I just like flip it like I'm flipping open, I don't know, what would you call that?
A bottle cap?
A bottle cap, yeah, basically. Holding it with these fingers here. Index is not really touching it. I'm making a mess. I'm trying to teach you guys. Just like that, and then boom, cracking an egg with one hand. So let's do this at full speed. Got it? Just repeat those steps. And then here's another trick. If you wanna get the whites cooked perfectly for like a perfect looking sunny, you just take the yolk out, sort of break apart the whites, and then just drop that in. Usually you do a bunch of these for an order, right? You just pop it in the oven. And then when you take it out of the oven, check that out. All the whites are cooked perfectly, no overcooked yolk. So that's a good benefit to breaking that apart first. Put it on this beautiful plate that my old high school classmate made me, Leia. Go buy her stuff right here. Go order a plate from her. Flake salt, there you go. Eat it with your hands like a fucking savage. Merry Christmas. Oh yeah, I'm not posting Sunday, so I'll see you Monday.